Hi Year 3, welcome back. Mrs. Powell here, and today we're going to be drawing insects. Now I'm lucky enough to have my own little bug collection of real bugs, but don't worry, if you don't have your own bug to draw from life, there's a brilliant website called godofinsects.com. I'll put the link onto the video, and it's got every insect that you can imagine, from butterflies to dragonflies, all sorts of bugs. So you can either print a picture out if you have a printer, or you can just view it on your phone or tablet. Okay, so we're going to start with a warm-up, and for this exercise you'll need a drawing pen. So let me show you how it's done. So for our warm-up we're going to do a continuous line drawing of either an actual beetle like I've got, or one of the beetle pictures you've either printed out or you've got on your iPad. Okay, so a continuous line drawing is simply a drawing that you make, making sure that your pen does not ever leave the paper. Okay, so this is a great exercise to warm you up to an observational drawing. Remember, observational drawings are drawings that you draw from life, so you're looking at them. So it's a great way to slow your drawing down as well. So hopefully your continuous line drawing will look something like mine. So now that we're nicely warmed up, let's start with our main activity. And for this, you'll need a drawing pencil, and if you have some coloured pencils. So let me show you how to do it. And also, because most beetles are beetles and insects tend to be symmetrical, it's good to sort of draw both sides at the same time, so you're not concentrating getting one side done and then you realise, oh, the other side isn't very symmetrical. So just try and lightly draw in the main shapes of your beetle, so, like there. Okay, and look at the direction of the, don't just make it up, look at the direction of the legs. Okay, there's two that go up here, like this. Move that out of the way. Like that. So when you use this really light pencil touch, you can just redraw anything that isn't quite right. Okay. Just drawing over those lines because they needed to be a bit wider. Okay. Okay, so that's your basic plan for your beetle. Once you've at that stage, you're ready to add detail. Here's my finished beetle drawing, and you can see that I've added lots of tone, light and dark in my drawing, so have a go at doing that yourself. So good luck and keep drawing.